ఈరోజు ఇండస్ట్రియల్ టూర్లో భాగంగా కేజేఎస్కు ఇండియన్ రెవెన్యూ సర్వీసెస్ యొక్క 74వ బ్యాచ్కు చెందిన 64 మంది ఐఆర్ఎస్ ట్రైనీలు పాల్గొన్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి డిప్యూటీ కమిషనర్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ గాయత్రి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా విచ్చేశారు. ఐఆర్ఎస్ ట్రైనీలకు పరిశ్రమ నడిచే విధి విధానాలు, ఉత్పత్తి సరుకుల విభాగాలు, ఆర్థిక విభాగం, అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్పై అవగాహన కల్పించామని పరిశ్రమ యజమాని గిరీష్ జైన్ తెలిపారు.
We were only co-packers for Nestle. We used to only pack coffee. Now we co-manufacture coffee for Nestle India, like the Chocomocos, the caramel lattes, the cappuccinos, what you have in the airports, inside the malls. That is all done by cages from inside the factory from here. So this is our achievement, which we have done in 12 days of time and the short notice of 14 months of time. And Nestle, we are the best supplier for Nestle 2020. We have received the Golden Circle Award 2020. We've been the best vendor for Nestle 2020. 2021, in February, March, we'll be receiving the CEO award from Nestle.
Good bonding with them. So in fact, we have learned a lot from them and might as well, we have shared knowledge and we always believe either way. And even to the young batch of 74th, even we expect the same thing. Probably one point after say couple of based on the experience of last say 20-25 years, I would like to share few critical things basically, which is a starting point even for us and even for us also. We say before we go for any construction of building, foundation should be very, very strong. Let us say we'll compare this foundation with assessment order basically. So assessment order passed by the assessing officer is foundation for the department, like foundation for a building. If our foundation is strong, probably it will be able to face the vagaries of weather, maybe winter, summer or rainy season. So like in the same fashion, probably we can compare assessment order with the vagaries of nature. The moment one passes an order, it should face it might go to various judicial forum and so it should stand to the test of law before every judicial forum maybe judicial, quasi-judicial, that is to say CIT appeal, ITAT or High Court or Supreme Court. So my ultimate aim and bottom line is, if we pass an order, it should have a mixture of facts with legal or legal with facts. In fact,
It was a beautiful story, a real story, nicely framed. So firstly, I would like to thank the National Academy of Direct Taxes for giving us this opportunity to host a multi-dimensional training program for the 74th batch of Indian Revenue Services. I would extend my tremendous gratitude to the faculty members and sparing precious time with us. With your presence, this event will be more joyful and memorable. I want to congratulate all the 61 officer trainees of the Indian Revenue Services, the 74th batch of Indian Revenue Services. Best wishes for your career towards the service of nation. Having you all here from different parts of country, it's truly a pleasure and honor. A very happy morning to all. And on this beautiful morning, I wish you all have a wonderful experience understanding the organization and the financial structure, manufacturing facilities, manufacturing process, the processing of raw materials, distribution of raw materials, the latest technology used to meet the stringent quality norms demanded, etc. About me, I am Girish Jain and I represent KJS India Private Limited as a director and a promoter. I am a second generation entrepreneur with certain degree of advantage, inheriting my family business with strong credentials, making it very easy for me to gain acceptance everywhere. About KJS, KJS was incorporated in 1999, named after Kraft, Jacob, Suchard, a part of Philip Morris companies. Nestle India have always supported us with the technical assistance, the breakdowns on the shop floor, documentations, policy framing, strategy planning, etc. They've advised us. They've always wanted to create a win-win situation, and I'm really happy to be associated. Transferring of assets from Nanjangud Nestle factory to KJS to extend support during our difficult times is admirable thing for me. I would like to thank the Nestle management and Nestle India team for nominating us on behalf of Nestle at the Confederation of Indian Industry Awards, the CII Awards, which I believe is the biggest platform encouraging the Indian industry. My best wishes to all the 61 officer trainees of 74th batch of Indian Revenue Services. I wish everyone a good luck for the second innings.
We are from Indian Revenue Service. We are recruited through the prestigious UPSC Civil Service Examination. I am Deputy Commissioner Income Tax. I am currently posted in National Academy of Direct Taxes, Nagpur, which is the premium institute, imparting training to Indian Revenue Service new recruits to Indian Revenue Services. Right now, currently 2020 batch, which cleared examination through UPSC 2019, is having their training now. So they have come here as part of industry attachment. By industry attachment, what we mean is we go through the various processes, manufacturing processes, and related operations of a particular industry, so that we can understand the industry very well. Our job, we will be posted as the officer trainees. After completing their training, will be posted as assistant commissioner income tax in various postings. They will be in charge of assessment, investigation, intelligence gathering, and many other tasks which are assigned by the Government of India. So our major role involves assessing the right tax or right tax applicable to a particular entity, be it an individual, a company. Excuse me. Yes. So for that, whenever we are posted in field as assessing officer, our primary task is to collect the right tax, assess the right tax. So for that, we need to understand the industry very well. So this is part of, for that matter, for understanding the industry in greater depth, have we come for this industry attachments, so that we can understand the different processes. We can understand how, whenever we usually see the balance sheet, the P&L, and then we assess. But when we know the industry, we can understand what is what and what is not. So that is a major reason why we are here. And is there anything else you need to know from me? वही मैंने कहा था, हमारा प्राइमरी रोल है लोगों का टैक्स, इंडिविजुअल्स का और कंपनीज का टैक्स असेस करना. तो टैक्स असेस करने के लिए हमें पता चलना है कि क्या क्या प्रोसेस है. हमें अकाउंट्स है, सब सारे कंपनीज का, सारी इंडिविजुअल्स का अकाउंट्स हमारे पास होता है. तो वो अकाउंट से हमें पता चलना है कि ये टैक्स ठीक है कि नहीं. इसी के लिए हमें अंडरस्टैंड करना है, हमें समझना है कि ये कौन सा टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री है. तो इसी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बढ़ाने के लिए, ताकि हम अपना ड्यूटी ठीक से कर पा रहे, इसीलिए हम ऐसे इंडस्ट्रीज़ में विजिट करते हैं, सो दैट सारे ऑपरेशंस को, सारी एक्सपेंसेस को, क्या क्या इंडस्ट्रीज़ में कैसे कैसे एक्सपेंसेस होता है, कैसे कैसे इनकम होता है, वो टाइप ऑफ इनकम्स कम इन, ये सारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो सकता है, एक हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है इंडस्ट्रीज से. सो इसीलिए हम आते हैं ऐसे इंडस्ट्रीज़ में. तो हम वी आर ऑल्सो वेरी थैंकफुल कि KJS इंडस्ट्रीज,
इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, स्पेशली KJS को होने का.
KJS invited us. KJS came forward and they told us that they are willing to host us, and they will give us a very good experience of how things are working. And they are also new startup. They started in the year 2014, I suppose. 20. Actually 20.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's a new startup also. So we can understand from the basic idea and how the industry works and what are the machineries used. So that was the reason why we chose KJS. KJS came forward for
प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री. ओके सर.
तो ये KJS इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का 74th बैच ऑफ इंडियन रेवेन्यू सर्विसेज को होस्ट करने का एक मौका मिला था, जो मल्टी डायमेंशनल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है 61 ट्रेनी ऑफिसर्स ऑफ इंडियन रेवेन्यू सर्विसेज, जो अभी रिसेंटली पास करके आए हैं, और फ्यूचर IRS ऑफिसर्स 1 महीने बाद ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. और जनरली 1 या 2 IRS से मिलने के लिए लोग सालों साल लगा देते हैं, बट हम 61 ट्रेनिंग ऑफिसर्स को इधर एक साथ में मिल सके, रिलेशन उनसे बना सके, ये आपस में या अपने में एक बड़ी बात है. यस, एनीवन?
और कोई IRS के जैसे और कोई आके इधर विजिट करने वाले हैं ट्रेनिस?
यस, हम लोग वार्म वेलकम के साथ रेडी है हमारे इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट के लिए. IRS आए हैं, पर और वो भी हमें उन्होंने रिकॉग्नाइज करके नॉमिनेट किया था. पूरे हैदराबाद में ये सब लोग कल रात को ही हैदराबाद पहुंचे हैं. ये सब लोग डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ कंट्री से आए हैं. इकट्ठा एक साथ हुए हैं और यहाँ पे मिले हैं। इसी वे में और कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी हमें रिकॉग्नाइज करके हमें अप्रोच करता है या हमें पता चलता है कि एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है तो हम ग्रैब करने के लिए तैयार है। और हमें बहुत खुशी होती है क्योंकि हम ये मानते हैं कि बिज़नेस के साथ साथ एक रिलेशन, एक ह्यूमैनिटी, एक नेटवर्किंग एक बहुत अहम रोल प्ले करता है।
और कोई कंपनी से कोलैबोरेशन होने वाला है?
कंपनीज कोलैबोरेशन, हाँ, एनडीए साइन हुए हैं 5-6, बट ये बिजनेस को लेके आना इतना इजी नहीं है। जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि हम लास्ट 14-15 महीने से एक कंपनी के साथ काम करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं और वो होने वाला भी है, वो भी हम जानते हैं। बट द प्रोसेस ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, क्वालिटी पैरामीटर्स, टेस्टिंग, टीम, कंप्लायंस, सब कुछ इतना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि इट टेक्स टाइम। बट यस, हमारे कोलैबोरेशंस बहुत जल्दी होने वाले हैं और इसीलिए होने वाले हैं क्योंकि ऐसा फैसिलिटी पूरे इंडिया में 15-17 से ज़्यादा नहीं है। और कोई भी बड़ी कंपनी जो अच्छी क्वालिटी की प्रोडक्ट्स बनाना चाहता है वो हमारे इस फैसिलिटी को बेझिझक काम देने के लिए तैयार रहेगा।
केजेएस इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का फ्यूचर विजन,
केजेएस इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का फ्यूचर विजन एक ही है, जैसे मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले 74th बैच ऑफ IRS को एड्रेस करते हुए कहा था। KJS India Private Limited wants to be the most reputed contract manufacturer throughout India. I stress that we want to be the most reputed manufacturer.
कौन सा फैक्टर से टाइप हो गया?
फिलहाल के लिए मैं सिर्फ आपको ये बता सकता हूँ कि हम नेस्ले से टाइड अप है। हाँ, NDA साइंड है, पर फॉर श्योर जिस दिन हमें परमिशन मिलेगा उनसे कि हम नाम डिक्लेयर कर सके, हम आपको बुलाएंगे और बताएंगे। Yes, anyone? So KJS India Private Limited has welcomed today with open arms the 74th batch of Indian Revenue Services. The vision of KJS India is to be the most reputed contract manufacturer throughout India. The main asset, the main thing what we have today in KJS India is the facility and a young team. हम ये बिलीव करते हैं कि रांका जी का एक्सपीरियंस और एक हमारे डायरेक्टर ऑपरेशंस का एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 22 years एंड 30 years के अलावा यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट जो भी रिक्रूटमेंट होगा वो लेस देन 30 years ऑफ एज का होगा। मेरा ये मानना है कि एनी गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एवरेज एज ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज वर्किंग इन द फैसिलिटी अगर 35 से कम है तो उसे आगे बढ़ने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता।
Thanks for watching NV News. Please like, share, and don't forget to comment. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon.